Making money has become such a saturated topic nowadays that people have forgotten to look back and see the obvious. It's an endless and relentless race in search of the next money-making hack, the next $1 million stock, the next Bitcoin. But people forget the basics of wealth building, saving money, upgrading your skills, to increase your annual income and building assets. In this video, I'm going to tell you the obvious that needs to be said, so you forget the shortcuts and remember what it takes to achieve long-term financial success. These are simple and timeless fundamentals, as proven by the author of the book Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. You've probably already read or heard about the Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, but here I want to talk mainly about the famous 90-day rule. This is the method that the author talks about in the book, which aims for you to accumulate more money, or better, accumulate wealth. It's simple, but few people actually do what I'm going to talk about. If you understand this, you'll be able to get ahead of people who believe in shortcuts or hacks to get rich quick. So stick around until the end of this video to understand how to apply it. When it comes to money, people always talk about how much you earn. You must be used to hearing phrases like, "How much do you make?" Or when someone gets a 10% raise and everyone comments. But it's very rare to hear about how much your net worth is, or also that someone sold their stocks and now has a net worth of over $3 million. And what I mean by that is, the true measure of wealth is net worth, not income. In short, to know your net worth, add up everything you own: money, car, real estate, other assets, and subtract everything you owe. And that's your net worth. Now, income is what you earn every week. The income that, in most cases, will be your annual salary, but it can also be what you receive from rents, dividends, among others. Now, let's get to the main point. How do you increase your net worth? Well, you've already understood that you should focus on increasing both your net worth and annual income. There's no point in receiving $10,000 in 1 month and saving only $200. You need to buy more assets, things that will put money in your pocket, like dividends, stocks, things like that. Stop showing off, stop spending money on unnecessary things. The reality is that by investing $500 a month, you can become a millionaire in the long run. And if you increase that amount as your income increases, you may be able to reach 1 million in less time than you thought. It's no use earning 3 times what you earned before and spending it all, right? But that's basically what most people do. They ignore the basics. They start a month already in credit card debt. And the more they earn, the more they spend. Without good income and without a good investment portfolio, it's impossible to move on to the next step, so focus on that at first. As soon as you realize you started accumulating considerable money, it's time to make your money grow with investments. All parts of this process are important, so don't neglect investing. Rich people spend time and energy learning to invest and take pride in being excellent investors. Poor-minded people think that investment is for the rich, and they remain in the same situation. So research investments and study them to invest in something concrete and profitable. Few people give it the necessary importance, but just consciously establishing a lifestyle where you spend less than you earn is a great step forward. This is very important because the better applied, the sooner you will be able to accumulate money. This is where the 90-day rule applies. This changed my game, and I'm sure it will now change for you just as it did for me. Write down your net worth today, how much you have right now at this exact moment. And in 90 days, write it down again and make it a habit. Every 90 days, write it down again and compare. You'll see your net worth gradually increasing. But of course, this will only work if you're following the steps mentioned in this video. Now imagine you did this test, compare for 90 days. You'll see your progress and you'll feel gratified. And you'll continue to invest more and more and see your wealth grow. This becomes a snowball and gets easier and easier. Let's go to an example. You started with $500. After 90 days investing that amount, you would have $1,500. But with an interest rate of 0.8%, which is a very realistic rate and below average, you would have $1,512. In 6 months, $3,060. In 1 year, $6,280. In 10 years, $100,000. And finally, in 30 years, $1,038,000. But of course, you will increase your investments over time and reach that value earlier. In fact, I recommend that if you're really committed to this, read this book if you haven't already, and dig deeper. Make a habit of investing in worthwhile things, and one of them is books. If you're interested and want to read the book, The Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, I'll leave a link with a discount in the first comment. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for making it this far. Until the next video,